Welcome to Uplistsikhe, the fortress of the Lord, a breathtaking ancient rock-hewn town carved into the cliffs of eastern Georgia. Just 10 kilometers east of Gori, in the heart of the Shida-Kartli region, lies one of the oldest urban settlements in the Caucasus. A place where stone whispers the stories of kings, traders, and ancient gods. Today, we'll explore this mysterious city of caves, its history, architecture, legends, and why it remains one of Georgia's greatest archaeological treasures.
Main road on the main road. Gori and Georgian currency. Middle Ages. Wine ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന സാധനങ്ങളാണ്.
Long before Christianity reached Georgia, around the early Iron Age, people began carving homes, temples, and tunnels into the cliffs above the Mtkvari River. Uplistsikhe was born around the 1st millennium BC, and for centuries it served as a powerful political and religious centre of the pre-Christian kingdom of Kartli. The name Uplistsikhe literally means the fortress of the Lord. But the Lord here doesn't refer to the Christian God. It refers to ancient pagan deities once worshipped in these very caves. Archaeologists believe that Uplistsikhe was a pagan holy city, filled with sun temples, ritual chambers, and stone altars where fire ceremonies once took place.
Oh. By the Hellenistic period, Uplistsikhe had become a thriving city.
Caravans carrying silk, spices and gold passed through its gates along the ancient Silk Road connecting Europe and Asia. The city stretched across 40,000 square meters, with streets, squares, dwellings, wine cellars, bakeries, and even a theatre carved directly into the rock. At its peak, it could have housed 20,000 inhabitants. Imagine the noise of markets echoing through the stone corridors, the scent of wine and bread filling the air, and priests performing rituals under the open sky. This was a city of both spirit and trade, a rare combination in ancient times. When Christianity spread through Georgia in the 4th century, Uplistsikhe began to transform. Pagan shrines gave way to churches, but the stone-carved culture continued. On the highest point of the complex stands a 10th century basilica, built from brick and stone over the remains of earlier temples. This church marks the blending of old and new, a symbol of Georgia's transition from ancient faiths to Christianity. Still, Uplistsikhe remained a place of refuge and strength. During invasions, people from the surrounding villages would flee into the caves for safety. The city's decline began in the 13th century after the Mongol invasions. Nearby Gori rose as a new regional centre, and Uplistsikhe gradually fell silent. Its homes abandoned, its tunnels forgotten. For centuries, wind and time carved the stones even deeper, erasing some details but leaving the essence untouched. It wasn't until modern archaeological excavations in the 20th century that the site was rediscovered and studied. Today, visitors can still see over 150 caves, remnants of halls, wine presses, and even an ancient theatre stage. One of the most fascinating things about Uplistsikhe is its engineering genius. The city's layout follows a natural rocky slope divided into three main parts: lower, central, and upper, connected by narrow stone tunnels and stairways. Rainwater channels, underground storage spaces, and even a secret tunnel leading to the Mtkvari River reveal the intelligence of its builders. Everything was carved by hand, using simple tools but incredible precision. Even today, the smooth walls, archways, and pillars seem alive with history. Today, Uplistsikhe is one of Georgia's most visited heritage sites and is listed among the country's tentative UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Standing here, overlooking the valley and the river below, visitors often say it feels like time has stopped. You can walk through the same streets carved almost 3,000 years ago, touch the walls that witness kingdoms rise and fall, and feel the energy of ancient civilization. As the sun sets over the golden rocks, Uplistsikhe glows like a crown of fire, a living monument to Georgia's timeless spirit. So when you visit Georgia, don't miss this silent city of stone, Uplistsikhe, the fortress of the Lord, where history and mystery meet beneath the open sky. Discover more wonders of Georgia.
ചർച്ചല്ലേ ചർച്ചാണ്